The S&P 500 is up and my account is not. I find that a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. I don't have a whole lot of stock selection here, so I'm kind of leaning toward one sector of the market. I've got Palantir, SoFi, and Tesla right now, and I'm selling puts, and then I'm doing long-term positions, so I'm not too worried about how my account fluctuates. The put options here are going pretty well so far for me, so I'm not really too worried about it despite what my profit and loss on the day looks like. So we're finishing the day down $74. My net liquidation is $11,438. We can see Palantir is down 41 cents still. I'm in the money, which is not a problem. My break even is $22 and it expires Friday. So not too worried about that right now. I don't mind owning these shares, so it won't hurt my feelings to be involved, to own Palantir and start selling calls against it. SoFi is still hovering over the $7 mark. I really want to own these shares, but I'm in no hurry. I want to collect the premium along the way. So what you'll see tomorrow is I'm probably going to roll these two positions out and continue to collect premium on the put side. And we see here with Tesla, we're down almost $3 here. We do see some buying pressure after the market closed. We'll look at the chart here coming up. So we see here on Palantir, the price continues to ride down along this downward trending line. And so I think we'll see this all the way down to around $20. That's my prediction. Short-term move here going down. We do see some volume drying up here, and the price is starting to stabilize a little bit in this area. So it could be around the $21, $20 range. We are extended though on the moving averages here, so we could see some consolidating here, but I'm expecting to be down around that range. And I have time here. We have 8 days till expiration, and I can always roll it out for a credit or let it get assigned and start selling calls. So those are going to be my options here with Palantir. I'm not too worried about it. It's just a matter of deciding, do I want to continue to collect credit on the put side or let these shares get assigned and roll it out on the call side. So if you look at Palantir over the past 5 years on a weekly chart, you can see a cup and a handle type of pattern here forming. Even though we're down here in the low 20s here, I think we have an opportunity when the price decides to go up to that next high up here that we could be seeing a breakout. And I'm not sure exactly when that can happen, but I think we have a nice case here for a cup with a handle if the pattern plays out correctly. So again, here with SoFi, we're not really seeing anything different here. It's staying pretty flat. It's not making any big moves right now. The volume is drying up and we're staying below the ADMA. So still holding pretty steady here, and we're seeing this consolidation period going on. So I think throughout the rest of this week, tomorrow, before the weekend, we're not going to be seeing too much change here. It's staying pretty stable, pretty steady, not much is going on, which is good for me. I have no problem staying where it's at. It's around $7 right now. I've got my put at $7, and I can just roll it out in time. I really want to own the shares, but I'm just going to let them roll out. And then if the time comes, I can roll up to $7.50 and then go from there. So ultimately, whenever the price does decide to dip and I'm in the money, I'd like to be able to get a good price on it and own those shares while at the same time have collected a good amount of premium. So today, Tesla decided to stay in the range that it's at. Not too much movement here. We do see that after the market closed, the stock is up around 69 cents or so. So we did see some buying action, a good amount of volume after the close today. So it'll be interesting to see how Tesla finishes the week. What is it going to look like Friday? Are we going to see good volume? Are we going to see some buying action going on? Because we are seeing some price action to the upside after the market had closed. So we'll see what happens. I'm curious about it. Right now, we are filling in this gap here, and I guess that's pretty likely to see, right? When we have a gap, it tends to want to fill the gap. So it's exactly what we're seeing here, and stabilizing here around that 170, 172 range. So I'm a new options trader, and I'm on a learning journey, and I want to share that with you. If you want to follow me on that journey, hit the subscribe button. If this video was a help to you, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video.